How to open a Lloyds Bank account on phone. So to start, just simply open up any app store that you have in your phone. So on my end, I'm currently using an Android, so basically we'll be using a Google Play Store. And here's just look for Lloyds Bank and make sure that you're currently downloading or installing the same application that is showing on your screen. Next up is of course open up the application. In here you see two options. Let's get you logged on or open a bank account with us. Now just choose on become a customer and open a bank account with us and just have to wait for a couple of seconds. Now on the next page, all you have to do is just to follow along the on-screen prompts. And before doing so, the better that you have a digital copy of your maybe a passport or any valid identifications that you have in your end. So say, are you an existing Lloyds Bank customer? Just hit on no. Do you already have a UK current account? Just tap on no, depending on your preference. This is just a side of an example. Hit on next. Then on the next page, you will be asked to input your specific details. So this includes your general information such as your name, birthday, and so on and so forth. Now just simply complete all these necessary options in here, and you should be able to have your account be created. And that's it. That is how you open a Lloyds Bank account on phone.